Sharpe ratio is a risk-adjusted measure of return used to evaluate a portfolio's performance. Using this ratio can help you understand how volatile your investment portfolio actually is. It can be calculated with the following formula. The ratio is calculated by subtracting the risk-free rate from a portfolio's rate of return and dividing that number by the standard deviation of the portfolio's returns. The Sharpe ratio helps to make the performance of one portfolio comparable to another portfolio by adjusting for risk. This allows you to determine whether a portfolio's returns are due to smart investment decisions or just a higher level of risk. The general rule of thumb is that a ratio of 1 or better is considered a good risk-adjusted return. 2 or better is very good, and 3 or better is excellent. Using this ratio lets you see how much additional return you are getting for the added volatility of holding a risky asset over a risk-free asset, allowing you to see how comfortable you are with that level of risk.